Okay, Santa Claus got me these sweet OHO audio sunglasses. Let me show you why these are so damn sweet. So, I've been wearing these for 2 weeks. Not only at work, but just around town, everyday use. They connect to your phone fast and easy, no problems yet. I hit this little button on the side, and I can answer calls or pause my favorite podcast. Yeah, that's right, I said podcast. I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to learning stuff. Knowledge is power. And the smarter you are, the happier you can make yourself and the people you're around, including your friends and family. Big shout out to my Thug Life investor channel, PPC Ian. That's a little inside joke. If you've never watched his channel, you wouldn't get it. But if you want to learn more about your future and investing in like stocks and bonds and stuff like that, I'll drop his YouTube channel link down below so you can check them out. But enough about that, more about these glasses. The lenses are US Safety Lens Standard ANSI ISEA Z87.1-2015, whatever the heck. Basically, they're approved. So if you're on a big project, the safety puke can't tell you to put on his stupid glasses. I shouldn't call him a safety puke. Safety in construction is a good thing. We have came a long way in safety in construction and have minimized injuries tremendously. But safety guys that haven't earned their stripes in the field don't have the respect of the men, because they don't even know what they're looking at. So they get a bad rap. They frequently use their power in egregious ways. But again, back to these sweet glasses. These glasses are reasonably priced. They're 80 bucks on Amazon right now, pow. I will drop a link down below if you wanna buy these sweet things. I'm not like sponsored by these glasses or anything. They're not paying me for this. I legitimately got them from Santa and showed them to everybody on the job site, and legitimately everybody is wanting to buy them. The charge lasts pretty long. I haven't killed mine in a 10-hour workday, but I haven't just been like playing music or podcasts all day long. I've been averaging about 10 work phone calls and probably 2 to 4 hours worth of listening to music or podcasts. They aren't like extremely loud and people next to me can't hear them, which is good. But when I have my hard hat on, they do kind of echo and make like surround sound up in my head, which compensates for the job sites that are extremely loud. Every phone call I have answered with glasses, I've only heard good things from the people on the other end of the phone call. They said that they can hear me really well and I can hear them really well, so that's always a plus. And it's also been great when I'm on the phone, I'm not losing one hand. I can still work with both my hands. Like if I was up in the air connecting or decking, I could legitimately be talking and still working with 2 hands. Which is key, because being on the phone, just walking around the job site, let alone being up in the air, is extremely dangerous. So having both my hands free is a huge plus. Another great thing about these glasses is you can still put earplugs in when it's super loud, and for some reason it makes it sound of better quality. It like mutes all the other surrounding noise and then makes it so you can hear your sound nice and good. They don't look or feel bulky, and they're not like too fancy or flashy. I mean, they do have different lenses like blue or like mirrored and stuff, I think. I just went with a simple black on black, nothing fancy. I like the weight of these glasses. Some glasses, even that don't have speakers in them, feel kind of heavy on your face. They don't hurt my ears and my nose. Overall, a big 5 stars from Chance Fabs. Again, I'm not like sponsored by OHO or anything. I wish. OHO, if you're listening, contact me down below with a comment or an email, please. The main reason for sharing this video was just to share with everybody that these glasses are sweet. I can see out of them really good, they're comfortable, and if you're looking for some cool glasses, like I said, I'll drop a link down below. And before you get done watching this video, make sure to watch this video here and this video right here. As always, work safe. Yeehaw! Later.